We were just playing with some of the pop-up stitches, both vertical and horizontal, plus the ones that combine the applique option with a pop-up stitch. But did you know there is one special stitch in here, and it's the pop-up stitch, the Ballerina. Now, here is one thing just to double check, and we're going to look at the directions that pop up when we use the Joy OS Advisor, is that when she stitches out, turn your fabric 90 degrees counterclockwise and insert a small piece of pop-up fabric from the right. Okay, so the nice thing with this little girl, let's go ahead and select her, is, and we'll minimize, good, and we'll get the Ballerina up. Once she starts to stitch, she's only going to stitch one time. We're not going to get a row of them, so just go ahead, have your fabric, maybe some stabilizer, and notice where it starts. See the black dot? That's kind of right at her neck. So we're just going to go ahead and get her started, and it's going to stitch out kind of her head, and I believe even her hands that are above. But what the pop-up is actually going to be is this is going to be her dress. So it is actually going to stitch the legs because obviously those need to be under her dress. And as it stops for us, then we'll know that we can insert the fabric. Something sheer is actually really pretty to use. Okay, so we want this to go counterclockwise. Remember, we always put our fabric in from to the right of the needle. So if for any reason you turn it the wrong way, you're going to notice that her dress is going to be over the top of her head. So that's not what we want Miss Ballerina to be doing. And so we'll go ahead, we'll slide that all the way in. We'll get that kind of position. Push the start button, it's going to tack, and then it's going to finish that little triangle over the whole kind of top part of her dress. And then at this point, then you can trim the dress to the length that you want it to be. All right, so this is kind of fun. Like I said, it's only one stitch. You don't have to tell it to stop. It's going to stop for you automatically. And so here, let's give her a nice little ballerina dress. And we'll just kind of do like so. And there she is.